Bitcoin has become a household name these days. However, if you want to set up your own fully synced Bitcoin node, it takes ages to sync the ledger. Not to mention the additional network bandwidth cost of downloading gigabytes of data for the ledger to sync. Well, this is no more the case. You can now set up a fully synced Bitcoin node in a few minutes with our pre-synced VM image available on the GCP Cloud Marketplace. How it works? TechLatest.net has created a fully synced Bitcoin VM and made it available on the GCP Cloud Marketplace for you to deploy from. You go to the marketplace, search for our VM solution, and have it deployed in your cloud account. As easy as that. We update the original VM on a regular basis and republish it to the marketplace to keep the ledger up to date. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Cloud Marketplace, search for Bitcoin Full Node by TechLatest.net, and set up your own full Bitcoin node today. For more details, visit TechLatest.net/BTC.